Hey guys, and welcome back to How Logical. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to go to Badoo FAQs. Now let's begin. Do note that I have already logged into my account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This is the interface of Badoo, and right now we simply want to go to the FAQs. For that, what we need to do is initially go to Profile. At the bottom right section, you'll find the Profile button right here. Simply click on it. Once you're in the profile page, something like this will open up. At the top right, you will get these two options, namely Settings and Edit Profile. Click on the first option, that's the gear-like icon, simply click on it. Then this will open up. Well, there are lots of things like basic info, notifications, privacy and everything. Simply scroll down and you'll see these two options, About, Help Center and Feedback. Well, let's simply click on the Help Center right here. And guys, there you go. This is the FAQs of Badoo. You can browse the popular questions, you can look at the profile FAQs, profile verifications and such. Well guys, this is it. This is the Badoo FAQs. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.